surprise visit that left this boatie shocked, to say the least. Baden Lasseur was sailing from Fitzroy Island to Franklin Island in the state's far north, turned his boat engine off and pulled out his camera.
Just inquisitive of what this object is floating on the surface, and could it be potentially a friend to travel north with.
Highlighting the natural and sometimes unusual wonders of the Great Barrier Reef.
It just shows you have to be out there to see these kind of things.
So I've turned off my boat to not disturb the whale shark, and the bloody thing keeps coming back and hitting my rudders. It's pretty cool though, it's pretty fucking sick. Well, that was a pretty cool way to start the episode, I reckon. That was crazy. So I was literally just motoring along, I was inside the hull, and then all of a sudden I hear this big splashing against the side of the boat, so I'm like, oh shit. So I run outside, literally look down there, and it's a freaking whale shark. What? That was so sick. My adrenaline was pumping so hard. I was like trying to grab all the cameras at one time. I'm like, fuck, what do I do? But yeah, that was really sick, really sick. Anyway, so back out on the water again. There's absolutely no wind at all. I just got the sail up because I was using it as shade before when we had sunlight, but it's gone very overcast at the moment. Anyway, we're motoring over to the Franklin Islands. They look beautiful and I want to go check them out, and that's exactly what we're doing. So we're almost there. I think we're about 10 nautical miles away from them now, and then we drop the anchor, and I don't know, man, take the day as it comes. But what just happened then was freaking awesome. Really cool, really cool. All right. So I was told that on one of the Russelin Islands is a lighthouse. So I'm going to climb up that mountain over there and see if I can find it. Get some cool shots and stuff. Come on, there's left some sunglasses behind. Oh, they look like shit. Here you go. So stylish. Wow. She doesn't like them either. Understandable. They're pretty scratched up, pretty crappy. But I'm going to keep them because technically it's rubbish now. And well, if I don't do it, someone else is going to do it, and someone probably might not do it. So I'm going to put this in the bin. I was told that to get to the lighthouse, you need to go to the mangrove section, and there should be like a path or something. Otherwise, I'm going bush bashing. Yep, looks like that's what's happening. Oh, beautiful in here. Look at this rainforest.
Take me to the fire and gold. I feel it down in my
close. Oh wait, there it is. It's right in between there. Right over there. All right. I just found some fresh oysters on this rock. I definitely do not recommend using your machete to open the oyster, but because I have to sharpen this one anyway, I might blunt it a little bit. How you doing, girl? Oh, look at that. And for you guys that don't know, you can eat oysters raw, so bottoms up. Oh, that was so yum. All right, I'll get one more. Just because this one looks like a good size. I'm trying to film and open this, so this is going to be kind of difficult. Oh, yes. That is as fresh as it gets. Delicious. I was planning on going back to the boat, getting the spear gun and spearing myself something to eat tonight. But there's actually so many tasty oysters. Like, look at this. Literally already chipped off the rock. Perfect. Yeah, there's so many oysters around that I'm thinking I might just collect a bunch of oysters, go back to the boat, get the barbecue, bring it to the beach, and make myself some Kilpatricks. When you're collecting oysters, it's important to actually knock off the entire shell, because oysters actually won't grow back on a oyster carcass. And then, just like that, got yourself a delicious oyster. So there's a baby clam here out of the water. Probably shouldn't be here. It's starting to look pretty dry, so I'm going to pick it up, put it back in the water. And it doesn't look dead, but it looks very dry. So I literally just put it down and look how much it's already opened up. So clearly it was very desperate for some water. Good girl. Bit of a tight squeeze to fit everything in, but we get it done. There we go. Check out these beauties. So, I got my oysters, tin foil, lime, bacon, barbecue that's been preheating for about 4 minutes or so, and then we got barbecue sauce. All right, now it's all cooking. We leave that for about 4 minutes. Tell you what, there sure is nothing to complain about here, eh? All right, so it's been about 4 minutes now, so let's see how they're looking. Woo! I reckon they're ready. And there you go. Kilpatrick's cooked on the beach, collected half an hour ago, as fresh as you can get. All right, now for the taste test. I'm gonna go for this one. Big juicy looking sucker. Yum! Whoa! That's exploding with flavor. Oh, wow. That's some of the best oysters I've ever had. Not even kidding. That is amazing. This is what it's all about. Coming out here, eating 5-star restaurant food in the most spectacular place, all to myself. Live for this kind of stuff. Well, I'm gonna keep demolishing these, and there's actually a mountain, let me just, right there, that I want to climb, fly the drone. So, I'm gonna finish those divine oysters, and then climb that.
I got that medication for ya. Fix what you got. That day blues, you lost your groove. I'ma figure it out. Snap my fingers. Flash a light. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Light it up. Light it up. Yeah, that's right. Light it up. Light it up. I got that fire, fire, fire. I got that heat. Just what you need. Yeah. Fire, fire, fire. Burning in me. That's what you need. Woo. Light it up. Light it up.
All right, guys, this spot's as good as anywhere to end another episode. If you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up. If you guys want to get yourself some Sequelia gear, there's a link down below. They'll take you over to the website, and you'd be joining the crew. We'll see you guys for the next episode.
I got that fire.